Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is more like a fun lesson. We're going to have a look at some Igbo love words. Now these are not just the typical love words, but these are those street slangs, the ones you hear often by men, especially when you're walking around the street and they're shouting all these things out to you. All right, let's go. The meaning of these words are going to be here, or I'll put them in the description box after uploading. Ukwu, nwa, tomato juice, ọmụma asaahụ, Akwa, Ababa engine, chọọchị agbasa, Ukwu nwere ntị, Elewe ukwu egbuo ewu, Elewe ukwu egbuo nama. Remember, if this video is helping you, if this channel is helping you, click the like button and share. Let others know. Column, Nwunye, Elelebe jolo, namesake, Achalugo or Achalugo nwanyị, Akwa, nwanyị ọcha, Ukwu nwere ntị. Mma, olugbajie, ugegbe oyibo, nne m, nwanyị ọma, nke m, ịfụnanya, ego oyibo, ụdara mmecha. Odozi akum, maọbụ oriakum. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you are able to get one or two things that you could use or tell your man to use, you know what I mean. So these are some of the pet names for Igbo women in Igbo language, or you know what, pet name for any woman but in Igbo language. Some of them, like Nkem, you can actually call a man Nkem. However, maybe I'll make another video for these words but for the male. Alright then, share, like, subscribe if this video helped you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.